7 Sweet facts about sugar. 1. Sugar is a natural ingredient. Sugar is a natural carbohydrate found in many fruits, vegetables, and plants. The most common type of sugar is sucrose, which is extracted from sugarcane or sugar beets. 2. Sugar has a long history. Humans have been consuming sugar for thousands of years. Sugarcane cultivation dates back to ancient times in regions such as India, China, and Persia. It later spread to other parts of the world. 3. Different types of sugar. There are various types of sugar available. Besides white granulated sugar, there are brown sugar, powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, raw sugar, and specialty sugars like demerara, turbinado, and muscovado. Each type has its unique flavor and culinary uses. 4. Sugar and energy. Sugar is a source of quick energy for the body. When consumed, it is broken down into glucose, which is used by cells for energy. However, it's important to consume sugar in moderation as excessive intake can lead to health issues. 5. Added sugars in processed foods. Many processed and packaged foods contain added sugars, even in products that don't taste particularly sweet. This includes items like bread, sauces, condiments, and even savory snacks. Being mindful of hidden sugars is important for maintaining a balanced diet. 6. Sugar and baking. Sugar plays a crucial role in baking. Besides providing sweetness, sugar adds moisture, tenderness, and texture to baked goods. It also helps with browning and caramelization during baking, giving pastries and desserts their delicious flavors. 7. Sugar substitutes. For those who want to reduce their sugar intake, there are various sugar substitutes available. These include artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose, as well as natural alternatives like stevia and monk fruit extract. These substitutes offer sweetness with fewer or no calories, but it's important to use them in moderation as well. Remember that while sugar can add sweetness to our lives, excessive consumption of added sugars can contribute to health problems like obesity, diabetes, and tooth decay. It's essential to maintain a balanced diet and consume sugar in moderation.